welcome to this live. Let me tell you a short story about this channel. In 2007, I have only one cat. Her name was Pecie. Pecie do not have any kitten. I find Mecie when she was about 2 months old. In one raining day, in very dangerous situation. She was in the middle of the road. I saved Mecie and joined with the Pecie in my house. They was living together for a long time, until Mecie had a kitten. She started fighting with the Pecie and don't let the Pecie stay at the home. And finally, Pecie leaves the house. Mecie stay at the home and born 3 times baby. The last time was young lady and 3 brothers. The story of this channel is about a female cat. Her name is Young Lady. Young Lady born in Christmas Day 7 years ago. From 7 years ago until now, I publish video in the YouTube about Young Lady and the Young Lady family. Now the channel have more than 36,000 video about 6 generation of Young Lady. I think it is the